Hello everyone, I am Dr. Priyanka Rani. I am working as a consultant in Garbhagudi IVF Center, Electronic City. Today I will be discussing about what to do and what not to do during IVF treatment. Lot of doubts about this, so I thought I'll address this in my talk. First thing, we'll be discussing what to do, what you should do during your IVF treatment. So before you plan for the IVF treatment, the entire process starts even 1 or 2 months prior to that. You have to be very well prepared for going through an IVF cycle. You must focus on your health. That should be your priority. You should be in the optimal weight range. So if you are overweight or underweight, you have to work on it. There are various ways in which your doctor will help you by going through yoga sessions, diet sessions, all that can be addressed. Managing stress is also very important factor. You should not be stressed out. Have a clear discussion with your counselor and your doctor. Clarify all your doubts and understand the stimulation process correctly. Because if you don't understand, you will generate unnecessary anxiety and you will not be able to draw the full benefit of the treatment. So understand it clearly, and in between when you have doubts, you can always approach and get things clarified at the earliest. Maintaining a good sleep routine is also very important, and focus on your diet. That is, as I was telling, you should also take a good amount of supplements, whatever have been prescribed for you. Certain medications will be prescribed which must be taken as per the advice, and once the IVF process starts, certain injections will be started. So those injections are very time specific, so you must follow the instructions and take them as per the suggested time. And avoid smoking and drinking during this period. These are almost like, do not do it at all. No smoking, no drinking. Avoid outside junk food and foods which are inflammatory, like high fat or high calorie foods you should avoid. Especially junk food should be avoided. And strenuous activity is something which I always tell my patients, because the ovaries tend to enlarge. When we start injections, the ovaries become very big, and if you do strenuous activity, the chances of ovary getting twisted and developing complications or pain can be there. So what you should avoid is strenuous exercises, but gentle yoga and gentle walking is okay. You can do that. I hope that solves your queries. Thank you.